guess I'll just make 2 videos in one day, but I just picked these up from the seatshop.com, and I'm gonna open them up. Actually, let's see why I need these. This is the 2 front seats to my Yukon, and passenger's not horrible, but the driver's seat, man, that's thrashed. And I ended up getting a new seat belt too, because this seat belt is like, it's trash. It doesn't even like to go back. But yeah, it's time to get these. I got the actual leather, and basically just like the factory. It's leather on top and then the vinyl here. I actually have a new piece for this too, because this is broken. I actually have that, but I was gonna wait until I get the leather put on. But I haven't got the seat belt in here that I ordered from the dealer. So let's go and take a look. Let's get this box open. Well, I made sure to be careful because it says right there, be careful, and you can see why. So the seats are really close to the outside. Let's pull them out. Well, looks like they pack them inside out, which I guess is a good thing. So, but you can see, I'm not gonna take it all the way out, but you can see here on the leather, it looks pretty much like the factory. You know what, let's take it over there and let's match it up. Let's see. I actually have my interior guy that's gonna throw these in. I was gonna do it, but shoot, I'll just let the pros do it. Oh yeah. Let's take a look here. Yeah, that's like, I mean, it just looks cleaner and newer for these old ones. I mean, they got 180,000 miles on them, but you can see like it's all that film that gets on it or whatever, but this is new leather. So anyways, figured I'd just throw this. Once I get them installed, I'll make another quick video. But this just basically, I ordered the front seats from the seat shop. Read the reviews, seem like pretty good. I got them here pretty quick. So I'll just throw up another video when they're installed. See how it turns out. Peace, everybody.